Make money.
So the market's range bound, right? And so what's happening is that every time the market goes to like 48, 49,000, everyone thinks it's a breakout and they're all geniuses. And then it's going to 100,000. And then the market goes back down to like 47,000 and everyone thinks it's going back down to $10,000. That's basically where we are in the market. But at the same time, there are some tokens like the one that you see on your screen that are performing very well. So I think today we should be looking at those tokens. What do you think?
Let's do it, brother. And you know what? We can keep seeing it keeps getting to that 49 and then keeps coming down to 47 and keeps going up. We're ranging, buddy. We're calming down. This is great.
Okay, and then I'm also going to show you guys something today, which is, I think, insane. I'm going to show you guys how you can make free crypto tokens in an A-grade project with A-grade founders. It's when I say free, you don't have to invest a single cent. You don't have to pay gas fees. You don't even have to put your MetaMask address in. You have to do nothing. I'm going to show you guys how to get free crypto in an A-grade tier 1 project as soon as we get 5,000 likes. It'll be the best giveaway of your life. I promise you guys that. Let's get the show on the road. Wait, Carl, don't play a song. There's a new song in town, bro. Sheldon. Yeah. There's a new song in town. Okay?
For who?
Well, it's not mine and it's not yours.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay, watch this, bro. Watch this song.
Jedi Luke from Banter, chill like a karate knife there. Jedi Luke, we love you, man. 10x more than random man. Jedi Luke, your BBS hyper.
Oh, looky, look.
Jedi Luke, the crypto cipher.
Better than the beard of Sniper. Just say that.
You can change your baby's diaper.
From Banter, chill like a karate knife
That doesn't 10x more than Random Man.
Hey, at least I got an audience, man. This is good.
Oh, look at your first song, bro. Nice.
Thank you. Whoever created that wonderful goth ballad.
Jedi Luke and Random Man can change a diaper like the sniper.
I love it.
I think since they love Luke more than they love Random Man, I think Luke should do the show today.
I agree.
Okay, it's got to be a really quick show today. Okay, and cue video. That was pretty good. And I got to say,
so you're just praying. So you don't know what's happening. You just hum. Okay.
I love the song. Guys, welcome back. So I'm Crypto Man Run. You got Sheldino Tentino sitting right over there. It's kind of weird because he's actually sitting on that side. Sheldon, what are you wearing?
Dude, I decided in bear market, I think Banter should open a Christmas sweater brand, and I'm just sharing the love and just showing some of our new samples.
Any chance I can get one?
Who are you? Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. So we got 3 choices here. Okay, this one's a little bit feminine, so I don't think this one. We got this one. And we got this one over here, which is like okay-ish. And then we got this one, which I think will just be fantastic. I think this one's yours.
That's the one I want. Okay. Okay. I'm a size small. Welcome back, guys. I'm Crypto Man Run. That is Sheldino Tentino, and we are the Crypto Banter fam. Together, we bring you crypto love and crypto wisdom every single day. But today is our second last day of the year. We're going to have a show today. We're going to have a big banter today. And then there's going to be a show on Monday where I am with Ryan Selkis, and we're going to discuss trends for 2022. I think that's going to be an amazing show. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to this channel right now and like this content, because by subscribing to this channel, not only do you become part of the family, but you also get a chance to win the Banter bags. I don't want to talk too much about the Banter bags today, because today I've got another I don't know if you want to call it a giveaway, because everyone can have it. Everyone can have it. It is getting money, free crypto in an A-grade project. Really, really, really. Getting free crypto in an A-grade project with A-grade founders, tier 1 project. I can give you free crypto. You don't even have to, there's no gas fees, there's no catches, you don't have to send any money to get the money, nothing. But when we get to 5,000 likes, that's what I'm going to do today. Anything else before we get on with the show?
That's it, brother. And I think, obviously we're going to take a little bit of a break after this thing. So I think today is a very important thing, just to give a nice overview of what can happen the next week or two, and just a good understanding what levels are breakouts, and obviously where are the levels we can drop to at any point. But we're ranging, guys, and it's great. So I think we can jump in.
Well, let's quickly talk about what happened on Wednesday. Wednesday was the Fed meeting, the FOMC meeting. They did exactly what we predicted. They're going to taper. They're going to end tapering around the end of March, which means they're going to be slowing down their economy. They're going to slow down the amount of money that they're going to put in the economy. Then they said they're going to be 3 rate hikes in 2022, and they're going to be 3 rate hikes in 2023, which is exactly what we said. And the market, when that happened, the market had a shoot up. Bitcoin went back to 49,000. And then the market started to digest what this actually means. And by digesting what the market actually means, Bitcoin came down, and something very interesting happened. So something that happened here was this. I want to quickly show this to you. USTECH. So the NASDAQ, or the US tech sector, yesterday kind of woke up and thought, whoa, hold on a second. You can see there was a big red candle. And that got pretty spooked off by the tapering announcement of the Fed. So let me go down to the daily chart. Sorry, let's go to the 4-hour chart. So you can see what happened. We had a good day the day before, and then the market digested the news, and there we went. And the NASDAQ went back all the way down. Bitcoin followed that, because in that sense, Bitcoin was acting like a tech stock. So Bitcoin started acting like a tech stock. And now the market's starting to digest the fact that the valuations on these tech stocks may be a little high, and that when you start raising interest rates, effectively that makes the cost of capital more expensive, and so the prices are going to start coming down. And that is where we are. It's exactly what we anticipated, kind of nothing new under the sun.
So obviously chart-wise, why I'm starting to get to, we're starting to get to interesting levels now, and we know we're getting near, a possible another big move from Bitcoin, is because we're getting finally closer to that wedge, which I am looking, it's probably in the region of the next 3 to 4 days where I really think a big move is going to happen in the markets. I think the market is very oversold at this point, so I am thinking that it's going to be a nice move to the upward side. I just still feel there's another 3 or 4 days. But what's obviously very interesting now is we're starting to get life in the markets. So you got things like AVAX moving, you've got Iota moving. There's Phantom's been moving nice. Solana had a nice push yesterday. Chainlink is starting to wake up a little bit. So the fact that we're starting to get, the alts and that starting to now, show some sort of reversal, because these coins are already starting to break trend. Having a look at AVAX, AVAX it broke trend. And what it did was it had the breakouts and beautiful test. And, for me, I still think AVAX right now between $95 and $100 in catching those regions. I think it's really, really good to be stocking up on AVAX. It's one that's really breaking quick. But the fact that we're getting this, is already showing us that the market's starting to calm down again. And as soon as I go from that and I jump back into the dominance,
that's the one to look at.
Yeah, and we know now by now, the fact that we have dominance still tapering, pulling down when the markets are at these specific levels, it's showing you that the confidence not lost in the markets. And now they're slowly going back into the alts. And this was the early signs that we had in September, I think it was, when Bitcoin finally broke out of that 30 to 40K region. Solana was a big one that led that. So, that's when Solana really made the strong move, where Bitcoin was still hovering. Solana started breaking. AVAX started breaking. And now we're getting to that same region again, where these coins are starting to break first. And we're in a very oversold market. So that's quite interesting.
So I'm looking at this. And what I'm seeing to the untrained eye is just go back to dominance. I see a Bitcoin dominance breakout and retest.
Yes.
So if I read that, so instinctively, I'm feeling that the alts are much stronger than Bitcoin. When I look at things like Solana, I look at things like ETH, I look at things like Avalanche. We saw that yesterday when the prices of the altcoins started to go up. When the price of Bitcoin started to go up, the altcoins absolutely exploded yesterday. I don't know if you were watching it, but Trader Joe 30%, Avalanche 30%, Solana shot the lights out 18%. Then Bitcoin pulled back, the alts pulled back. So question. Is this now, are you forecasting now that the dominance retests this line and then goes up to 44, 45? That way you're saying that there's going to be a whole lot of Bitcoin strength before there's altcoin strength? Or are you saying that this was a fake out and it's going to go back under the trend line and altcoins are going to continue to dominate?
So I'm thinking that we're going to have a selective amount of coins that are going to run with Bitcoin, but I still think Bitcoin is going to be the breakout. But I think facts like Solana, AVAX, all of them are going to run with Bitcoin. So I'm not thinking the whole alt market's going to explode, but I do feel, no, they're already leading. Like we had them all explode yesterday, and then we had a small pullback today, but all that they did was they already all broke trend, got a higher high in play, and they've just come back to test, so they're already showing healthy breakouts, healthy tests and continuation. So I'm thinking we're not going to have a full alt explosion just yet. I do think Bitcoin's going to be the one that's going to rally first. But I think AVAX, I think Ethereum, I think all of them, just because of that Ethereum to BTC chart. I think Phantom, the ones that have been like really quiet for the last 2 months, I think are really ones that are going to run with Bitcoin at this point. And, I'm glad we can already start to see the breakouts coming from them. And, right now, Bitcoin's the lagging indicator. It's the lagging one that we're waiting for that breakout so the market can finally continue. So what I am looking with Bitcoin now, guys, is still the same thing with the range. And what I've basically set at, let me just jump into here. There we go. I got these 2 points of views on where I'm looking at with Bitcoin. Is we can range all the way until this trend line. That's perfectly fine. And then we got the major support, which was the low. So at any point, if there was a shakeout or something, this would have to come from news or something to just spook the market again. This is an absolute. I'd be adding as much as possible to any of good alts. I remember, because dominance is not really choosing a side just yet, it's still running with Bitcoin. And that's the fact that we get a pullback now in Bitcoin, we get a pullback in alts. It doesn't have clear direction just yet. So this is my ultimate support for Bitcoin that I want us to hold. I don't want us to go below that wick at any point to shake down to there. You can see my still big buying stock up zone for Bitcoin is between 43 and 47. Anywhere in those zones, I'm topping up on alts. I'm dollar costing everywhere in those zones. And then we got the key breakout, which I think is going to happen, especially over Christmas time now. And then from that, what we're going to do is we need to make our way to this resistance. We got a very key level, which is 53K. 53 to 54K is the level we want to break. But we want Bitcoin to get back to 60K. And that can finally show the reversal and a higher high in play. And then we can start looking at the momentum move again. So right now, it's still waiting game. It is good time for you to rest and to obviously stock up. We've got exciting news with the education, which I'll get into shortly. But right now, this breakout is coming. And I think you're really making a big mistake if you're not taking advantage of dollar costing into a lot of these alts at these zones now on where we're looking at. So Bitcoin, same thing. We're finally ranging. Love it. We're doing what we did over here. And this usually gets scooped up very quick, guys. Remember, we still don't have any volume backing. Like, there's zero volume in the market right now. And even though we've been tapering down, like, there's no volume. We're in a very low point, and this can get bought up very, very quickly in the same way that it did in this zone here, where we have absolute zero volume. And all of a sudden, we get this big spark from the bulls to come in that. And obviously, why I'm thinking the big breakout next week is because we do have this weekly finally at the bottom and reset. And it will reset as long as we stay below 49K by the close of this week. We've got a full set RSI, fully oversold market, and it's showing the next month or two really strong strength for the bulls. So we're looking good there. Jumping onto ETH as well. ETH still holding very well. And all that it did was it's come down to test this zone again where this long wick is over here, guys. And that's the same thing. If Bitcoin goes and tests 46 or anywhere there, ETH's going to come test 36 or 37 again. We don't want to be missing these buys up on ETH and stocking up here just because of where we're still sitting on the much higher time frames of the ETH to Bitcoin. You know, we really smashed a higher high. We broke out of the wedge. We came to test. And I'm really seeing strong strength from ETH coming, probably from the Q1, as well as ETH Dominance as well, where we had the breakthrough, little test now of support. And I'm seeing ETH Dominance rally up to 25 to 27% after this. So I'm making sure I'm not missing up in any of those. And last check, obviously looking at the USDT Dominance, we're filling a top wick there. We are getting to a point where the RSI on the weekly is getting really at the top. So it's showing us that there is a big influx coming where people are going to be selling off out of USDT back into the markets. And that will give us a nice, strong strength push from the market in general. So I think that's looking great. I think it's
just anyone got any updates on? Is anyone here got updates?
Yeah, it did well. It did well. I'm not gonna lie. Like it had a nice. There's the line. Oh, there's my drawing still. There's my drawing still from 2 days ago. I told you what we're gonna do.
Moved the white line, but doesn't matter. It's fine. We'll take it.
No. There's the date. That's the same one. You can go back in the videos. I did not touch that.
So what do I need in order for you to eat fish on the 1st of January?
You need another 5%.
5% is going to be so easy, bro. We need one green day.
No. But look here now. Look where your RSIs are, buddy. ETH time is coming. I'm going to get this. I don't think it's going to be a massive, big difference. I think I'm going to win between 5 and 10%.
He's got 14 days and there's 4%. 4%.
It's going to be a tight one, bro. It's going to be a tight one.
Sure. I'm so excited about watching ETH Fish, bro.
What do we do if it lands on the white line? Right, ETH Fish.
No, no one eats fish. Kyle's asking, what do we do if it lands on the white line? No one eats fish then.
Then Kyle eats fish.
Kyle, the producers all eat fish. Oh, speaking of producers, man. Speaking of producers, have you noticed that Freddie's not around?
Yes.
We've got Luke, Kyle,
got James,
got Jimmy, but no Fred. Because Fred got engaged, bro.
And dude,
Fred got engaged this weekend. Yesterday. Remember I said I had some urgent business to do with Fred. That's why we couldn't do a show yesterday. Our man Freddie is engaged.
Well done, brother. That's amazing. Shame, he was so excited. I spoke to him just now. He's over the moon, so I'm very happy for him. It's amazing.
Okay, so Sol ETH, there's 4% left to go. You still think...
So Sol, so I'm going to be honest here. So I still see ETH winning the end of the month, but from January, like I see Sol absolutely destroying. Like I still believe that Sol will annihilate a lot of the coins next year, like even ETH and that. It will. I took it on clearly for the month of December, but Solana I think is going to have a powerful Q1. I really think it's going to move.
Kyle, watch this. Okay, so listen, Sheldon. I'll give you an option now, right now.
I'm not taking it.
You can cancel the bet. You can cancel the bet now.
No.
And you can buy me lunch. Otherwise, on the 1st of January, you will eat fish. Would you like to cancel the bet and buy me lunch?
I can't do it, dude. I'd rather lose and take my thing.
I'm giving you an exit. You should take it. Yesterday, that coin made up 8%. Just look at the chart from yesterday.
Yeah. No, I know that, but I can't. It's working to my plan. We've just hit the resistance. Like it's working to my plan. I'm gonna win this. But
okay.
I can't do it. I'd rather take mine. I'll take it on the chin if I do lose.
Him and Craig are gonna eat fish together. Craig still thinks Bitcoin's doing an all-time high this month.
You never know. So jumping here quick, guys. Sol, definitely catching this. At any point, there's still no higher high in Solana just yet, which means it can come down and test the 160 to the 165 in those zones. You don't want to miss these, guys. Where this has come from and where we're testing now. I really think Solana's big. Iota, we got good entries 2-3 days ago. Remember the staking as well for some nice airdrops as well. If Iota does drop into the zones, top up there as well. But guys, same charts we'll be looking at Kusama as well. You know, especially even if it goes down to 250 again, like I think it's really, really cheap. Luna's gone for now. AVAX.
I was about to ask you, Luna and Arweave. So I've seen Arweave. Arweave's gone from $40 to $39. I couldn't believe it was at $39. Now it is at $49. What do you think? Look at the Arweave chart.
Let's have a look. Yeah, so Luna, unless there's only any pullbacks on Luna, which I'll get to now. Yeah, this is great. So if you have a look, here's the trend. This is breaking very good long-term.
I can see the trend breaking. My eyes become so good. There we go.
Right now. Yeah. So what will tend to happen here is we'll rally up to these points of resistances here, small pullback here, and then continuation. So don't miss Arweave in the region of, you know, $44 to the $48 region. I wouldn't be missing it because the Arweave moves when it's time for it to move. It really moves very quickly. So I agree with that. Luna as well. I'd rather want to catch it. You know, it's had such a good bounce. So I do think at some point it can come to about $57 to $60, and I don't want to miss that. So what usually happens here is we make this sort of flag test down. We just continue to make lower highs at this point, and then eventually we got the strong breakout. So Luna be catching on those dips as well. And I think, you know, Phantom as well, Dots, Render, EGLD's done very well since we called. Energy Web, Cardano, you know, Rune, Super, Matic, Theta, Vet. Like there's just so
all
many
updated. All of them are updated on CoinPanel. Guys, remember,
all of them.
Now that we are going on vacation, and we're not going to have shows every day. We will have some shows if stuff happens. Sheldon and I obviously on standby. But Sheldon is updating all his charts on CoinPanel. If you want it, go today and sign up. There's a 2-week free trial, which means that you're basically going to get this whole period for free. You don't even have to pay. Just get it for free, and you can get this whole 2-week free trial for free. Just something that I'm watching here. Look what's happening to the leverage again. Creepy upwards. You see, so what's happening here is because the market hasn't come down hard, the confidence is coming back in the market. You see that? And you know what happens when the confidence comes back in the market? I'll show you.
It's weird how you have the confidence though, Gro, but we don't really have a much growing markets. Like it's weird how they, I don't know, I think it's all revenge. They're all pissed off from being liquidated 2 weeks ago.
See, look. So it's the same as, look at May, down, up and flat, down, and then up again. So there we go. So we still need to do that. Another two things that I saw. So Donkey, if I look at Donkey Finance on CoinGecko, up 30% today. I don't know what the charts are saying. I can tell you why I think it's happening. There's two reasons why I think it's happening. One is if you just go to their site. I went now, and what I saw was the returns. They launched the Phantom network, 1,300% APY. Look at the returns on the time token on the Avalanche network. Okay, now, in these bear markets, so to speak, not bear markets, but bear phases in the market, people are going to start looking to get yield on their tokens. So remember what I said? I did a show the other day, and I said that in this market, you got to have a buying strategy, which is easy. You know, what do you want to buy? What does your portfolio lack? How much of it do you want? Then you got to have a switching strategy. So I've got too much Solana. I need more Avalanche. Let me switch some of my Solana into Avalanche, or the other way around.
Balancing, yeah.
Then you've got to have two other types of strategy, and that is where you want to be earning. You want to be earning money on your tokens, and you want to be earning money on your stablecoins. And here, that's what Donkey does. You basically go with one click. So you just go one click. You can see who what the strategy is. I don't know if I'm connected. Let's see if I'm connected. You see, and then you can go in and you can see how big the pool is, and you can basically invest behind this farmer. So that's what Donkey does, and that's why I think that the price is now starting to go up. One is because they've got these insane returns on things like Phantom. Yeah, and also because now in these
25,000% on
look, as that pool gets filled up, it's gonna get down. But I mean, wow. Yeah. The other thing which I saw today, come rain, sleet, hail, or snow, Monday is Tuesday, 21st of December is the launch of MonkeyBall.
Time.
Nothing will stop the trade. It's launching on a centralized exchange and on Radium. Oh,
finally.
Now, which centralized exchange is it? It could be Bybit, because I know Bybit were working on something. It could be FTX.
Kucoin?
It could be Kucoin. If you want to trade that, there are referral links for Bybit and Kucoin below. You can just click them, sign up. You help the channel as well, and you get.
With that said, CoinPanel's just integrated Bybit as well, so we're going to be able to get all the Bybit charts as well. Bybit, Kucoin, and Binance.
Okay, now how many likes have we got? Have we got the 5,000 likes? Because if there is 5,000 likes, I will show you guys right now how to get tokens in an A-grade project.
4,400.
Are we there? Are we there yet?
4,400. Not yet.
4.40. No.
Come guys. You know what I'm saying?
9,285 people don't want to know how to get. So here's how it works. Sheldon, you don't even know this. I haven't even shown this to you because you've been away. Okay, listen to this. You're going to be able to get tokens free in an A-grade project with A-grade founders. In fact, probably the smartest founders in the space, and the same founders that created the AMM DEX model. So like this order, like the Uniswap DEX model.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to show you the same founders that created that DEX model have launched a new project, and you can get free tokens. You don't have to connect to MetaMask. There are absolutely no gas fees. You don't have to send money.
Okay.
And the amount of tokens that you can get is insanely high.
Okay.
And they make it even better for you. It's fun.
Amazing. Let's do it. I'm in.
Apes arrived. We now have 5,500.
Okay, so get this.
Apes have arrived.
There are two narratives that I think are going to be the best narratives now in the next 6 months. The first narrative, I think, is ETH Layer2 Scaling. Hold on, let me just shut this email up. The first narrative that I think is going to be ETH Layer2 Scaling. Let me shut this email. And the other one is, I think, social media. I think that we're entering a stage of social media on the blockchain, which we haven't had before. I think to that effect, there are a couple of tokens that you can invest in. There is the old BitClout token, which is now called DESO, which is now listed on Coinbase. That's one of them. In the narrative, we showed you guys how to invest in ETH Layer2 Scaling. And now I'm going to show you what I think is the most addictive and the most fun social media platform in crypto. Now, I'll show you how it works, and then you guys can go and sign up by yourselves, do whatever you want to do, and you can get and earn free tokens. So this is how it works. The platform is called BBS.market. Okay, so what is it? It works and feels like Reddit. So this is it's a group. This is the crypto banter group, which is bbs.market/banter. We also have a crypto banter charts group, which is a separate charts group, which is bbs.markets/charts. And we also have one called bbs.market/crypto gaming or C gaming. Okay, so we've created these communities. Okay, anybody can create any community that they want. Here's where it gets fun. Every post is an NFT. Okay, every post here is an NFT, and you can buy other people's posts. So in other words, here's a post by someone who's not me. It's by David Crypto. I click on the post, and I can buy it. Okay. Now, that means that from that point till the end of time, every time someone gets the post and there's advertising revenue, then I will get a portion of the advertising revenue. So if I see Sheldon's tweet and I think that it's a good tweet, then I buy it. And then I become a part owner of the tweet or of the post. And then from now till the end of time, when anybody ever sees it, you will get a percentage of the advertising revenue. But now, since there is no advertising revenue yet and it's a brand new platform, they are doing what they call engagement mining. Engagement mining means they are rewarding people for engaging in the platform using their tokens. So right now, just by using this platform for free, okay, no MetaMask, no nothing, no MetaMask, no nothing, I've got $22.41 in my wallet, and I've done nothing. I've done 2 tweets. Here they are. Okay. So this project, I've got to be blatantly honest. I'm not invested in this project yet. I love this project. I'm not invested in this project yet. But the one way that you can get tokens in this project right now, you just go to bbs.market. You can go to the Banter community, which is bbs.market/Banter, or bbs.market/charts, or bbs.market/crypto gaming. You can post in the forums. Okay? You can buy other people's posts. You can buy my posts. You can do whatever you want, and you will just earn money in their tokens. It's called engagement mining, and you will earn money in their tokens. You don't have to, no signing up of a MetaMask, no putting in money, no sending ETH to anyone. Just comment. Just go there and comment. You want to post a chart, post a chart. Maybe someone will buy your chart. Maybe they won't. If not, well, then you'll keep earning all the ownership of the chart. You can create your own communities. So go and create a community called, I don't know, whatever you want. Go and create a community called, here, let me go to bbs.market and I'll create a community called, I'll show it. It's really, here we go. Free tokens community. So I'm gonna start a community called free tokens. I'm gonna create by adding a cover page, by adding a banner, by adding a thing. And then whoever interacts with your community, you make money because they're interacting with your community.
Okay, wow.
So we've started, on Crypto Banter, started 3 communities. We have the Crypto Banter main page, which is /Banter. We have the charts, which is, I guess, powered by people like you, Sheldon, where you're going to drop a whole lot of your charts. Every time you drop a chart, you make money, because as soon as people engage with it and interact with it, you just get money into your own wallet. Hustle will probably drive the Crypto Banter gaming. And together, we are going to build this community here. Now, again, the more people that come, the more money goes into your wallet just for interacting with this platform. And that money comes in the form of their tokens. So they're airdropping tokens to people. It's called engagement mining. You earn tokens by engaging in this platform.
By using the platform. Okay.
We are early. No one knows about this yet. You know, like with all engagement mining, the early people make the most money. Except in this platform, you don't have to put money into it. Usually, to be early, you've got to connect your MetaMask and put fees and gas and this. And no, you do nothing. You go, you set up an account, and you just start posting. That's it. It's like,
okay, wow.
It's like, hello. Okay, now, who are the founders here? The founders are the team that created Banker. I don't know if you remember Banker, but it's some of the founders here, from what I hear, are the team that created the Banker protocol. Those are the guys that invented the AMM DEX. Okay? They are the guys that invented the AMM DEX. These guys know what they're doing. It's not their first rodeo. They are seasoned founders. You are getting this for free. Do not send money. Do not connect a MetaMask. Do not burn 1 cent. Just be there first. Post. Interact. Join the Banter communities. And that's it. Then you make money. That's it. No strings attached. I mean,
and then to, like, let's say, sell those tokens or anything, do you have to send them to another exchange? So
soon you will be able to sell tokens. I don't have all the details exactly. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have all those details. I discovered this, and we started the Banter communities here, and now we want you guys to get involved before anybody else gets involved. We have, again, I'm going to show you 3 communities. We have BBS/Banter, BBS/charts, BBS/C gaming, which is crypto gaming. Okay, those are the official Banter communities. You can see them. Join us, post. I mean, you can go and you can post, and then immediately people can start buying your NFTs. And let me tell you, buying these NFTs is bloody addictive. So I'll show you how it works. It's addictive.
That is very addictive.
So let's say, here we go. Someone just posted right now. He said, Banter is the holy grail of crypto. Much honor, he says. So I think that's a great tweet. So what I'm going to do is I go here and I bid to buy it. Okay, so let's say I'm going to buy it for $1. Okay, now I'm going to purchase. There we go. Now I've purchased it. So now any engagement on that tweet from now till the end of time, I'm going to earn money on it just for people watching.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I've purchased. Now I'm the part owner. It's me and this guy. We're now part owners of his thing. So as more people start posting on this shit, people are starting to post. I would sell my left nutsack for some tokens. I'm going to buy this guy. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm going to buy it. I bought that one too. That's mine. Thank you. That's my token. Bought it. Bought it. That's it. Got it. I just bought it. Here, let's all engage it together. If you're watching the Crypto Banter live show, I'm buying that one. Bought it. Bro, I've never put 1 cent in here.
This looks addictive.
I've never put 1 cent. I've never connected my wallet. Here we go. The live chat is starting to work. People talking about Arweave. Ran, will you buy my post? Sure. I'm going to give you $2 for your post, bro. I'm going to get... Yeah. So now you see, I'm buying other people's tokens. You see what's going on here? Now, every time that someone views this, I'm going to make money because people are viewing other people's tokens, other people's tweets. Bang! You see, I've got $53 and I've got $22 now in my account again.
Okay, I'm in.
Exactly. It's come on, guys. It's like a no-brainer. It's honestly a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Like we're not asking for money. There's no money here. There's nothing. Just join the 3 communities. Start your own communities. Do whatever the hell you want. Just do it. You're going to get free money before anybody else does. And I haven't seen the emission schedule, but I believe that the emission schedule is going to first be the early people are going to get most of the tokens. And as more people come, they're going to get less and less tokens. Now, we've told you about this first, so you can be early, so you can set up your communities early.
Very cool.
See, so now,
that's amazing.
So look at this. So now on this post, which was just a welcome post, it was welcome to crypto charts, people have started to engage. Can you see that? That's the charting one. So people have started to engage. Go Banter fam. Let's go Banter fam. Hello. So now I've already earned $1.45. So the price has gone up to $1.45 because people are engaging in this post. So I could have bought it at 30 cents 5 minutes ago, but now that people are engaging in it, the price has gone up to $1.45.
So the more popular the post is, the more it starts to grow in value, right?
It's increasing value.
Okay, wow, that's actually very clever. Okay.
So if you post something which is good, not only will you make money, but if I think it's good, I buy it, and then I make money on your good posts because I saw it early and I bought it.
So basically come in as a shareholder.
As a shareholder on your post.
Part of this. Okay,
on your
that's
post.
So clever. We need to get Elon Musk on this so we can be the first guys.
Exactly. Now you've got it. Now we are here first. So because we are here first, we will make most of the tokens. And again, it's free. It's like no MetaMask, no paying gas. It's free. It's free. Just go and post. It's free.
You gotta love it.
I don't know. Where else do you get free tokens like this? Come on. Anyway, go post something in the charting group, bro. I'm gonna buy it. Go and post something. Go sign up, and then
I need to go sign up. Okay.
bbs.market/charts. Cool. Go and sign up, and then post something. I'm gonna buy your chart for the day. When I think it's a good call, I'm just gonna buy it.
Cool.
Alrighty.
Amazing. Yeah, guys. And what's quite exciting is we're obviously going to take a little bit of a break, but I'm dropping some really cool education. I do believe there's going to be another week or 2 of slowdown in the market. And I really think, guys, we have been through a fantastic year together. And I really think you should use this time now to be going through the education. Like I've really gone into my TA in a lot more of depth. I've gone through all the indicators. I've gone through so many amazing things. I think you guys are really going to love it. So use this time. We got a massive year next year. And it's time to recharge and to hit it strong. And I don't know from your side, Ram, but I would love to thank the community for a fantastic year, fantastic 2021. I think it's been life-changing for me. Thank you again, Ran. Thank you, Crypto Banter. And I'm really appreciative for everything. And I'm excited for the next year.
Amazing, guys. Thank you, everybody. Sheldon, thank you for being here on your holiday. Thank you for doing all the masterclasses. I know you've worked really hard. We'll be launching them every single day next week. Make sure that you're here every day and that you use this time to actually become master traders. Sheldon, have a brilliant Christmas. Have a brilliant New Year.
Well, I'll get yours your way. I'll get yours coming.
We'll talk a lot. We'll talk a lot off air. Guys, love you guys. We'll see you guys again later on for the Friday banter. Let's put the Friday banter title up, show the guys who's coming. We've got Vinny Lingham. We've got Daniel Sester, who's, I think, one of the smartest guys in crypto, and Jose Macedo. It's going to be an unbelievable way to do the last Friday of the year. And then Monday, it's all about 2022. It's all about the themes and narratives for 2022. Don't miss that show. Again, I'm coming in on my holiday to do a show with Ryan Selkers talking about the biggest themes for 2022. So until I see you guys again later, and until we see you guys again on Monday, go and buy NFTs, my friends. Look at this. Look at this. Just hold on. Just look at this. 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 So I posted. It was worth $1 a minute ago. You saw it when it was worth $1. That post is now worth $25.95.
No way. How?
Yeah, people are engaging with it.
That's insane.
Yeah. So this post is now worth $25.95.
That's a 20x. I don't think we've ever had a call that
exactly. Go and post your charts, because I promise you, this is the most addictive thing in the world. You post a chart, I'm going to buy your chart. You post it, I buy it. You post it, I buy it. It's going to be fun, bro.
Okay, let's do it.
Have fun, my friends. Chat later.
Cheers, guys.
.market/banter.
You've just ruined my day, Ryan. I was going to go spend
I know, bro. I'm addicted. BBS/banter, BBS/charts, BBS.market/banter, BBS.market/charts, BBS.market/C gaming.